Welcome to Phone Transformer, your go-to destination for keeping your mobile experience smooth and efficient. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to close applications on Android to help your device run faster and save battery life. Now let's get started. Step 1 is to tap the 3 lines in the bottom menu or swipe up from the bottom of your screen. This action opens the Recent Apps screen, which is a built-in manager that shows you every application currently active or suspended in your phone's memory. Step 2 is to swipe sideways to view all the apps you currently have open in the background. This allows you to scroll through your recent activity, making it easy to see exactly which programs are still running and potentially consuming your system resources. Step 3 is to swipe an app upwards until it disappears from the screen to shut it down completely. This step is important because it fully terminates the app's processes, freeing up valuable RAM and ensuring that your phone operates at its maximum speed. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.